There's been a major update to the toolkit for Blender, the IMVU Toolkit for Blender, so we wanted to go and install that. Let's go and download it. So let's create.imvu.com. Scroll down the page until we get to the IMVU Toolkit section. Click on the button. That'll take us to the download page. Scroll down. And there we have our Blender section. So we've got our minimum requirements 3.6, 4.2 or 4.5. That's compatibility. It will work with 5.0. The installation process is exactly the same. So click on the link. That'll download. There is the file, and then from here all we need to do in Blender is drag and drop the file, the zip file itself. Don't extract it or do anything to it. Just drag it from your downloads folder or wherever it was saved to and drop it into an open instance of Blender. We'll get the install from disk panel. Just click OK, make sure overwrite and enable and install are active, and then OK, and that should install. So what we now have is a toolkit ready for use. So if when we start using this we get this error message or this warning, basically the new toolkit has been set up to clear out any old toolkit information because there have been major changes done to the new toolkit and all the old stuff needs to be removed. So if this pop-up appears, just click on the yes button and this will clear out all the old files and we should be able to use Blender properly with the toolkit. Now we are ready to go.